Hey, good afternoon. This is the video log number 4, and I'm Rodrigo Diaz Coloma. I think every week I feel more comfortable talking about being a global educator, and this week obviously is the last week in terms of me trying to let everyone know how much I've learned and things that I need to work on. Um, so, what knowledge, skills, and attitudes do you now possess as a global educator? Um, I'm I'm starting to think now, not only as a student but potential teacher, and imagining I'm in the classroom. And when I'm in the classroom, I'm going to have the opportunity and provide the um, the accessibility to students that hopefully the school will allow me to have a global approach into projects that we can work on, or accessibility to pen pals. Um, and so with the knowledge that I have now, I can apply everything that I've learned with that Dr. Crawford has provided in these modules. I haven't been the best, but I'm really trying hard, and I think the summer session has been really difficult for me. Anyway, the skills that I've learned are those the technology skills, the the video entries and writing better, and the different technologies that I use, and the websites and things that we can use in the classroom. The attitude that I possess is really it's improving. I'm not just a local thinker anymore. I'm global, and looking back in my years in the military, I can use those into the classroom in terms of where I've been and what I've done, and what students can appreciate that I can bring to the table. What was most impactful to you and why? I really was I really enjoyed the webinars with Mike, and that in the first webinar with the book publisher. I'm still in the beginning chapters of her book. Maybe she can write a book about the high school environment. So those webinars really impacted my attitude and connecting with those individuals that are in Mexico or that are in Thailand. It really made me more appreciate and think about global issues and how other students are compared to the United States. What are your goals for becoming more connected? Well, like I said, when I'm in the classroom, I'm really going to take advantage of trying to be global thinker, have the students be global thinkers, and hopefully I can get support from the high school principal or assistant principal, because I don't want to step any over boundaries, but I do want to make the classroom more learnable and more of a easier uh, way to get connected through other countries, and so technology is really going to help us. Now I know there's some schools that don't allow you to be on the computer or be on your phones, but I think that having to do research and to do a project, I'll definitely be able to be more connected. What areas did I improve and need work with? I definitely improved on discussions and learning from different students, and definitely learning from Dr. Crawford about local to global point of view, and um, I did improve on those aspects. I know the knowledge to continue to reach out globally and allow the students to reach out. Um, I think it gives me more confidence. and things I need to work on with is being more technology savvy in terms of websites and how that can go into the classroom. I definitely want to make a professional learning network with other professors and other students and other teachers that will allow me to help that in the classroom. What area I will commit to being a global connected educator. So I think that goes without saying after completing this course and hopefully um, getting a good grade, obviously, from all the work that we've done. But committing for me is when I take a course, I really take it to heart and I learn from it and I use it in the future. That's with any course. That's with the professional military courses I've taken, the previous courses I've taken in the MAT program. So in being globally connected as an educator, I cannot just forget about what I've learned. And what I've learned is taking the broad ideas and giving them to the students, and not only to the students, but to those teachers that are just the traditional teachers that just want to stay in the classroom and hide underneath the books and don't want to get out there and learn different things or try different things. I think being committed to connect with global colleagues is definitely something I want to do. And I've learned that, that it is possible. Obviously, with Dr. Crawford, be professionally connected with other networks has given me the confidence to move on and learn from this course and take that to other places and in classes, and I'll definitely be able to use that. I know that in Duplin County has a lot of low income, poverty schools, and hopefully I'll be able to use that and bring that into the classroom. Duplin County, they have the more accessibility, and hopefully I can use that. So hopefully hopefully I can use that and have a better access. Just looking at the the vlog entry number 4, some of the things that on the sample reading that I was reading with the global literacy, raising one's awareness, making a commitment, developing competence with contemporary tools. I think a lot of information on the reading hit home and basically amplified the publisher's experience, and I think with her experience and what she went through in Germany and Argentina, now in the States, and building relationships, I think that is something that we have been trying to do in the past 4 weeks. And so moving from traditional isolated professional in a classroom with closed doors to a connected network should mean more to a professor or teacher than just understanding the final exam. And so hopefully I can use the things that I've learned, the technology and connecting through other global educators, that I can help my class and my school to have better access and to just learn more and to broaden the horizon for my students. I know that it's been a short, condensed time, but I really appreciate this course, and I learned a lot of reading, and understanding. And Dr. Crawford did a phenomenal job on presenting the course and how do we think local to global. So with that, I thank you, Dr. Crawford, and and I will definitely be um, sharing my experience and sharing my knowledge and skills, and I definitely have a great attitude towards being a global educator. Well, thank you, and have a great Sunday.